Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ESP32 battery is probably one of the most exciting developments for makers and IoT enthusiasts. This tiny powerhouse allows you to take your projects off the grid, enabling a whole new world of portability and freedom. Whether you're building a weather station, a remote sensor, or a wearable device, the right battery solution is crucial for success. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ESP32 batteries, exploring the best options and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. 3.7V 4500 mAh Lipo Battery with pH 2.0 connector. This is a 3.7V, 4500 mAh lithium polymer battery. It's rechargeable and designed for various small electronic devices. It provides a reliable power source for your gadgets. The battery features a pH 2.0 JST connector. Please ensure this connector type matches your device before purchase. This is crucial for proper and safe operation. Double-check the connector type and polarity before use. Incorrect polarity can damage your device or the battery itself. Make sure it fits your device. It operates at 3.7 volts with a 4500 mAh capacity. The maximum charge voltage is 4.25 V, and the maximum charge current is 2250 mAh. It's made of lithium polymer material. The battery measures 9.5 by 51 by 80 mm. It has a cable length of 5 cm and weighs 85 g. These dimensions are important for fitting it into your device. This battery is suitable for devices like MP3 players, Bluetooth headsets, and smartwatches. It is not designed for high-power applications such as drones or power tools. This battery is suitable for MP3, MP4 players, Bluetooth headsets, GPS devices, baby monitors, and more. It is a versatile power solution for many small electronics. What we like. This battery boasts a substantial 4500 mAh capacity, ensuring extended usage for your devices. It features a pH 2.0 connector, making it compatible with a variety of gadgets. If you have devices like MP3 players or Bluetooth headsets that demand long-lasting power, this is a great choice. What people say. Perfect fit for my wireless noise-canceling headphone repair. Working reliably for 6 months and take a charge. The battery works well and provides the expected 3.7 volts output, but you definitely need a BMS, battery management system, to safely charge and recharge it. In my application, I am using a solar panel to charge it up with a small charge controller. It powers a small ESP board that spends most of the time in deep sleep. Everything keeps working even if it's been days since being outside. Number 4. EEMB 3.7V 1100 mAh Lipo Battery with JST 2.0 mm. This is the EEMB 3.7V 1100 mAh Lipo Battery. It's designed to provide reliable power for your devices. Make sure to check the polarity before purchase. Before you buy, confirm that your device's polarity matches the battery pack's connector. This is crucial to prevent short circuits. Check the size, connector model, size, and polarity. This battery operates at 3.7 V with a typical capacity of 1100 mAh. It weighs approximately 22 g and measures 34.5 by 51 by 6.3 mm. The connector model is JSH-PHR02 with a 2 mm distance between poles and a 5.8 mm plug width. This battery offers excellent cost performance and a long cycle life. It features PCM protection against overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and short circuits, ensuring its safety. The battery is UN 38.3 compliant, meeting safety standards. If you have any questions, please contact us via Amazon Message, and we'll respond within 24 hours. For long-term storage, keep the battery at a 40% to 60% charge. Recharge it every 3 months to maintain a 3.7-4.0 V voltage. It's suitable for Bluetooth speakers, dash cams, and various wireless devices. This battery is ideal for Bluetooth speakers, dash cams, keyboards, mice, Wi-Fi smart home systems, PDAs, digital cameras, GPS devices, monitoring units, e-books, tracking devices, blood oxygen tracking equipment, pulse monitors, wireless devices, and IoT applications. What we like. This battery offers a balance of performance and safety with its integrated PCM protection. It is designed to fit a variety of devices. If you are looking for a reliable power source for your Bluetooth speaker or smart home devices, this is a great option. What people say. The ESP32 board has a built-in charging circuit for the 18650 battery. It also has a power switch, which is very convenient. The battery life is excellent. Number 3. Freenove Hexapod Robot Kit for Raspberry Pi. This is the Freenove Hexapod Robot Kit. It's designed for use with Raspberry Pi models. This kit allows you to build a walking, self-balancing robot with many cool features. The robot has 6 legs, each with 3 motors. It also features a rotatable head with a camera and an ultrasonic distance sensor. Assembly is required, but the kit provides everything you need. A step-by-step assembly guide and complete Python code are provided. You can find the download link on the product box. This makes it easy to get started, even if you're new to robotics. It's compatible with Raspberry Pi 5, 4B, 3B+, 3B, and 3A+. It also works with 02W and 0W, but may require extra parts. The Raspberry Pi is not included in the kit. You can control it wirelessly using your Android or iOS device, or a computer. The Freenove app is available for easy control. Get ready to explore the world of robotics. Please note that the battery is not included. Refer to the downloaded tutorial for details on which battery to purchase. Get ready to build your own robot. What we like. This kit provides multiple control methods, allowing you to control the robot with your phone or computer. It also comes with a detailed tutorial. If you like robotics projects and want a fun, interactive build, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The final result worked exactly as expected. The software is advanced but can be understood with some effort. The ability to actually move the head around is particularly useful. Number 2. DIYMORE 18650 Battery Shield for Raspberry Pi and Arduino. This is the DIYMORE 18650 Battery Shield. It's designed to provide power for your Raspberry Pi and Arduino projects. It's a convenient and reliable power solution. The shield supports both 3V and 5V voltage outputs. This allows it to power a variety of devices. It's versatile and adaptable to your needs. It features a micro USB port for charging, with a charging current of 600 mA to 800 mA. This makes it easy to recharge the batteries. It ensures your project stays powered. The shield supports up to 2 Li-ion batteries, ideally 18,650 batteries. It's recommended to use 2 for extended use. Make sure the batteries are 65 mm in length. Pay close attention to the positive and negative markings when installing the batteries. Incorrect installation can damage the module. Always double-check the polarity before use. What we like. This module supports 2 18,650 batteries, providing flexible power options for your projects. It offers both 3V and 5V outputs. If you are looking for a versatile power solution for your Raspberry Pi or Arduino projects, consider this. What people say. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile battery holder for your electronics projects, the DIYMORE 18650 Battery Holder Li-ion V8 Battery Shield Micro USB is an excellent choice. The holder is compatible with 2 18,650 batteries and features a micro USB port for convenient charging. The V8 battery shield also ensures that the batteries are protected from overcharging and short-circuiting. Number 1. MakerFocus 3.7V 1100 mAh Lipo Battery. This battery has overcharge protection. When charging, the protection board cuts off power at 4.2V, preventing further charging once full. This ensures the battery's safety. It also features over-discharge protection. When the battery voltage drops to 3.0V, the protection board shuts down, preventing further discharge. This helps to extend its lifespan. The battery includes short-circuit protection. In the event of a short circuit, the board will shut down within milliseconds. It will not power on again, ensuring safety. For optimal performance, charge it with 0.22A, up to a maximum of 0.55A. The recommended discharge current is also 0.22A, with a maximum of 0.55A. The charging voltage should be set to 4.2 V. While it offers overcurrent protection, avoid excessive current or voltage. Exceeding the specified range may damage the protection board, rendering it ineffective. Always operate within the recommended parameters. What we like. This battery includes a protection board for overcharge, overdischarge, and short-circuit protection, ensuring the safety of your devices. It is designed with a JST 1.25 plug. If you are working with ESP32 development boards and need a safe and reliable power source, this is a great choice. What people say. The ESP32 board has a built-in charging circuit for the 18650 battery. It also has a battery protection circuit. The board can be programmed using the Arduino IDE. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.